Alright guys, so it was requested that I just share a lot of different things that I was eating, not just a meal, but I guess if I eat something earlier during the day, I'll share a couple of the things that we are eating. I'm getting ready to make me some coffee right now. It's literally 2 in the afternoon, but this is what he's making. So maybe we do need to get some more parchment paper because your pizza is gonna be ruined, huh?
Just had to spray it.
Oh, you forgot to spray it? Oh,
yeah,
okay. Oh, Rizzy did it? Yeah. Oh, that's for her? Okay.
Yeah, when I sprayed it with the stuff, it don't do this.
Oh. So this is what I will be eating. I just heated this up and I'm putting some real butter on it. As you see, Rizzy wanted her pizza and she forgot to spray the pan. So she's going to be eating that right there. Hubby's eating a cheesy beef patty as well. And this is just earlier in the day. It's like 2 something. We got up late. So, well, that's because we stayed in bed late too. So, yep. I'm just going to be having this with some coffee. And binge watching some Pluto and some YouTube. Alright, so I guess stay tuned for dinner since we're eating so late. I'm going to be making something really tasty. I'm not going to tell you. Y'all just see it. So stay tuned. Hey guys, so I'm going to be sharing my meal with you guys tonight, and I got it kind of set up, so I'm gonna just run through it and kind of prep it, but then show you the last minute of it done. But your girl Tom is here, so he has been really treacherous this month, and this is the peppermint tea from Dollar Tree. But truth be told guys, I really want to start getting the real peppermint leaves and the good stuff and putting it in like the metal balls and doing my own tea. I have my water going in my microwave. I don't want to be doing all that beating. Oh Jesus, I forgot. Y'all grabbed it the wrong way. That was really hot. So I put it in there for 3 minutes. So this is like really hot. So I'm just going to do some peppermint tea. Hopefully this will help with cramps, because usually tea helps to soothe. You know, warm stuff helps to soothe you. I'm just doing some tea and honey. This is supposed to be raw honey, but I'm seeing a lot of people using the white, thicker honey that looks like a shea butter. And I want to invest in getting some of that because I think that is the best stuff. And it looks like it is the good stuff. And it looks like the things that I heard about it was really amazing. So yeah, I'm going to be drinking this tea as I cook my dinner. Let's make sure this is enough honey. No ma'am. And I like to let it sit for a minute because I want that peppermint to really get in there good. So we're going to leave that over there. Put my little top on and come back and stir it in a little bit. But yeah, that's what I'm drinking. And that tea is just from Dollar Tree, nothing fancy. So yeah, let's get into this meal. Now guess what guys? I've already made pierogies. And I forgot to release the video, and we wanted them again. So I said I'm going to make them on camera. Just quick run through, but you should already see the video. If it's not up before I share what we ate today on the 7th, it will be up the next day or either the same day. So you should probably be looking forward to seeing this if you want to try making this. This is so freaking good. Now, the one I made for the video was really simple. It was just the pierogies with onions and garlic and stuff. But you can do so much, and I say that in the video as well. With this, just let your options just go and create something that you feel that you would like. It's so many things: chicken, seafood, all types. And then there's different types of these. But anywho, I ain't gonna ramble on. All that's in that video. All right, so let's get this stove heated up. So I'm gonna put this stove on like a low, because we're gonna put the garlic in there and let that kind of roast and get going in the pizzan with some olive oil. And I'm not gonna go through all of it because, like I said, I've already did a video, so we're not gonna bore y'all. But this is what we're eating today, in some form of vegetable, which you'll see in this video as well. So basically, I'm trying to get this to roast. And I don't want my onions to be hard, so I'm going to put that in there as well. And I did a half an onion. And the other onion is in here. I'm going to put that in the refrigerator. If you never had pierogies, you are missing out. I'm telling you. You are definitely missing out. And this came with a pack of 4 sausage. And I'm just taking 2 for this meal, and the other 2, because they're big, I'm going to use for our meal for tomorrow. So yeah. Because you don't need a whole bunch for this. You know, the pierogies are already filling themselves with the potato and stuff. And I wanted to share with y'all some of the things that we like to do for fun as well. If you missed what I said on the radio show, I'm going to show you actually in depth on here some of the things. Because a lot of people were asking me what type of things we do for fun. I got a couple emails and stuff like that, so I'm going to share that with you guys. This looks so good, y'all. Put a little bit more olive oil. Let that cook and get my veggies done. I like to have a little bowl set aside. This is my little shallow bowl that I like to have for trash, like when I'm cooking or cutting onions and certain stuff. I always forget because I had to dig for it, but this is my little, like, trash bowl. If y'all could smell this. Oh. I'm going to put the top on that. While I'm waiting on the food, I'm going to put those up and wash these. So right now, what I'm doing is cleaning off my soap dispenser, the hand soap one. I just wiped that wall down, getting ready to refill the end counter soap dispenser. It's low. Dishes are done. Food is almost done, so you guys can see it. And I use a funnel. It's going down. It's almost done. Now what I do, because there's a lot of residue in here, I stick this in the dish bucket, and I use this to wash my next set of dishes because it'll foam up to do another set of dishes. Hey y'all, so something is in the oven. Once that is done, I'll come show you our meal, but let me show you what we do to have fun time and just, you know, interact with each other as a family. Let's go ahead into the dining room. All right guys, so these are our games, our little game collection. So we have Uno, Dos, we have Don't Take My Word For It. We played this, but I think we weren't playing it right. We got to really figure this out because this is supposed to be really fun. So we got to figure this one out. And then we have Left, Right, Center, which we haven't played in a while, which is really fun. Phase 10, one of our favorites. Uno Attack. This is something we got some years ago, and we played that a couple times, and it's like you just got to know your stuff, like name brands and logos and stuff like that. So, and I guess however smart you are as far as remembering these and knowing these logos, I guess that's kind of how you win with that one. Uno Attack, if you've never seen this game, this is where it's Uno, but it has like special parts of the game where you have to pick hit this buzzer so many times and cards could come flying out to basically make you go from having Uno to having like 20 cards in your hand. This is really fun. If you guys want me to go more in depth with some of these games, let me know. I love organic games. I have a Tic-Tac-Toe game, and I had this, I got this from a consignment or either like a thrift store, and me and my mom-in-law love playing this game. She think it's so cute. This one, and then I also have, hold on. So that's one. Y'all know this is my favorite. This is a childhood game that I so love. Yeah. My mom loves this game too, but my birth mom loves this game as well. And that's a real fun game. I do have a video on how to play that on here. So fun. Strategy, like sort of like chess, checkers, but not as in depth, but it's fun. It's strategy. Real fun. This is one of the newer ones. New phone who this is basically like you pull out a card and everybody has cards and they got to pick a card to go with the judge's card, and he picks the one that's the funniest from like the responsive texting. Real fun. Gestures. Had this when I was young, like a young mom. And I loved it. And we used to play this a lot with the family, with like my aunts and stuff like that. When we used to get together, I used to bring that game. Love it. This is my hubby's favorite childhood game. He loves that game. His mom loves that game. Clue. I remember playing this a few times, but not as many times because I just couldn't remember. I think I got this confused with the what's that game called? Guess Who? I used to get it confused with that. But guys, this is so freaking fun. When we learned it, it's so freaking fun. Freaking fun. You hear me speaking. And Battleship. I love this game. It's a 2-person game, but it is really fun. Because it's strategic and just trying to think and remember. It's kind of like a memory game. That's why I like Battleship, and that's a childhood favorite game of mine. And then we have Sorry, which we love. That's another game that we like to play. Me, hubby, and the kids. Then we have Monopoly. We had so many Monopoly games, so many games. It's ridiculous. We do not know what happened to all our games. Somebody got us for a lot of stuff when we moved here because we had the Here and Now Monopoly Millennial. We had the regular Monopoly. You notice they even changed. This is supposed to be the regular Monopoly. They changed a lot of the pawns and stuff like that. I don't like that. So yeah, but those are the games that we have been playing during this time and keeping us, you know, just interacting and having fun and getting our mind off of what's going on. If you want to know more about these games and you want me to like actually do a video on how to play them, that's something I definitely wouldn't mind doing for you because I believe in family and creating times. And like I say, been saying for many years, memories over material. And with this time right here, hold on guys. And with this time right here, you should definitely be looking into doing it more if you weren't before, because this is a time where a lot of people feared not knowing if they were going to see their loved ones or who may have to deal with this pandemic. So definitely make sure you create memories because they mean a lot. Capture them with picture, video, any way you can. I record a lot, and sometimes I say I'm going to share, but I be so in the moment with my family where I'm like, I'm not sharing it, but I'll have it for me. You know what I mean? And if I decide to share it later on, I will. If not, then I have the memory for myself. So just think about doing that more for your kids, because I know a lot of grown-ups that grew up and they don't have no memories of their childhood, and so they can't really show their kids anything. So yeah, start creating memories with your family. Let's go get this food out. Had to check that one, but we're gonna put some butter on these yeast rolls. All right guys, so these are our plates. Something really quick and fast but tasty and yummy with some broccoli and cheese. Naya's plate, my plate, Rizzy plate. Rizzy just literally ate something, so she's not really hungry and she's not too keen on broccoli all of a sudden. So yeah, that's her little plate. And then this is my mom-in-law's plate with her roll, and that is our dinner. Quick, fast dinner. Guys, what we've been trying to do is really have portion control and not overdo it, because at the end of the day, we got to make things stretch even more, and everything is gone. Like nothing is left in the pans. So everybody can eat, fill their tummies. If they get hungry, they can get a snack or something, but as long as they have dinner. And truth be told, America is a place that we overdo everything. Our portions and all that. Our portions, even some of these portions are considered big, like this. You know what I mean? So yeah, we need to do better. And I'm the main one in line to do better, because I know a lot of things we can adjust and do better in. But I'm just sharing our little meals with you guys, and I hope you guys are enjoying this. Nothing fancy at all, just getting some food in our tummy, but guess what, it tastes bomb, so don't get it twisted. All right, I love you guys. I hope you guys are enjoying this video. So if you have any questions, leave them below. Later, gators. I like to eat mine with sour cream. Naya's already gone. Go greedy, so. And he was putting the games up and they fell, so he putting them up. And Rizzy is making some type of concoction over there.